Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today I thought I'd share with you what I like to wear when I don't feel my best, but I still need to show up. For me, it is mostly, a few days before that time of the month. Whatever the reason may be, I think everyone goes through those phases and periods when we don't feel our best and we don't feel confident in outfits that we normally would enjoy wearing. And in this video, you will mainly see outfits for smart casual occasions. Anyway, I really hope this video is somewhat helpful and inspiring. Also, sorry about the parcel sitting here in the corner of this video. I noticed it later and I will remove it from there, but for now it will be sitting there until I notice it. And it is from COS. I will show you also what is in there. Especially at this time of the month, I appreciate comfort. And you will see comfort takes center stage in every look featured in this styling video. For this outfit, I am wearing a pair of jeans by Everlane. These jeans are not only beautiful, I love the cut style, but also they are extremely comfortable. And I feel good in them even when I have a few kilos more. And as for top, I am wearing here a lysol shirt in this denim optic. As for shoes, I'm wearing my Le Monde Beryl Mary Jane flats, and as for jacket, I have opted for this Arquette jacket, which has got to be one of my best finds lately. And as for bag, I have been enjoying this Loewe flamenco bag so much lately. I have had it in my collection for a while, but I didn't use it that much, mainly because of my Alaya heart-shaped bag. But I came to appreciate this bag more and more, and I can tell you it is a very versatile bag. Let us get rid of this box and I show you what I got from COS. I ordered 2 pairs of jeans and they are both in size 24. They are both very snug. They don't fit me at the moment because my weight fluctuates a lot depending on which time we are in the month. So I really hope they will fit me very soon, hopefully. Then I have also ordered 2 t-shirts, one being this black one. I have worn this one already, that's why it's inside out. I really like this one, mainly because of the hemline around the neck and sleeves. You will see it in a second. And then I also ordered this brown t-shirt in a knitted material. I really want to have the matching skirt for that brown t-shirt, but it's sold out currently in my size, so I have to keep an eye on their site and see if it comes back in stock. Anyway, for this next outfit, I'm wearing my Citizens of Humanity jeans, which are again extremely comfortable, and also they have this very exaggerated horseshoe style that I absolutely adore, and I feel always comfortable and very stylish as well in these jeans. I know they are not for everyone, but I do love them. And then for the shirt, I am wearing the same shirt as before. And as for bag, I really enjoy this outfit with either my Loewe Flamenco mini bag or my Dragon Diffusion basket bag. These 2 style of bags go really well with an outfit like this. And as for shoes, I'm wearing my flatted loafers, which are again very comfortable, and I also love their simple style. But also my Mary Jane flats that you saw before would work, I think, great with this outfit. I just noticed when sunlight streams into this room and hits the camera lens just right, it illuminates countless tiny particles floating in the air. You can see it very well, especially when the background is dark, like my piano here. So no worries, my room is not dirty or dusty, it's just the way it is. I think many content creators in sunny countries can relate. For this outfit, I'm wearing another barrett leg style jeans, and here I'm wearing it with a shirt by COS. Now, funny story about this shirt. I saw it online, I really liked it, and I had to order it. Then it arrived and I realized that this shirt has got the same exact fabric and pattern like the skirt I bought last year. So here we have a set and I was very happy about it. Then for the rest of the outfit, I'm wearing my Miu Miu loafers, the boat loafers, which again, very classic, very simple, but very comfortable. Oh, now you see even more particles floating in the air as soon as I picked up my jumper. And here I really wanted to see how this outfit works with my new jacket. I mean, it's not new, but it's newish, and I really love what this jacket does to my outfits. It really coolifies everything, if this is even a word. It just adds that effortless cool factor to anything you wear, and I'm here for it. Here I'm wearing an outfit that I have been wearing in many different variations recently. I really love this suede shirt that I have hauled in one of my recent videos, and here I'm styling it with those jeans that you saw me unboxing earlier in this video. I really love how these two styles go together. This very long shirt with the slightly cropped jeans. I think they work very well together. And then I am wearing my Miu Miu boat loafers, but this outfit also works very well with my mesh ballet flats that you will see in a second. This leather necklace is actually an earpod holder from Massimo Dutti that I got, I think, last year. It also doubles as a bag charm, but yeah, unfortunately it's not available anymore on their site. But as I was searching their site, I found a few really nice alternatives. As you could wear those as necklace, but also as bag charms. Not the AirPod holder, different. I will link them down below for you. I may myself get one of those as well, because one looks like a leaf and is gorgeous. For me, when I'm not feeling well, I usually don't feel like styling my outfits too much or wearing anything too revealing, too flashy. I just don't want to stand out at all. Maybe you can relate, but this is the case with me. And in these situations, I wouldn't wear or style a scarf. But for this video, I really had so much fun with styling these outfits for you guys. And I got into styling these scarf as well. So here you see a few ways I like to style this scarf for normal days, on days that I feel like myself. Normally I would split up this section of the video where I am styling the scarf as a head scarf, but I thought you may be interested to see how I do it. For that I need a hair clip or claw clip. Then I clip all the hair that is going underneath the scarf together, and then tie the scarf underneath it, and then get rid of the clip afterwards. There are many styles and many ways to, style your scarf as a headscarf, but this seemed to be the only way I can style and wear this scarf on my head without, having to adjust it again and again. It stays put where it is for hours, and I don't need to touch it or adjust it at all. Another thing very characteristic for me during this time of the month is I keep my jewelries very minimalistic. I do wear jewelry, but no statement pieces and nothing bold. This next outfit should not have been included into this video because it's not suitable. Honestly, these jeans are a tad too snug, and they are not something that I would wear during that time of the month where I really enjoy something comfortable. These are great for afterwards, but not while I'm going through those good times. But I really wanted to show you how they look with an outfit like this, and I'm hopeful that they will fit me fine afterwards. But if not, then I will have to size up in these, definitely. For this next outfit, I'm wearing a very again comfortable pair of jeans. They are actually not technically jeans. They are made out of lyocell. They are by Array by Matches Fashion, and as you know, Matches Fashion doesn't exist anymore. Anyway, here I'm wearing them with a simple black t-shirt, the same t-shirt you saw me unboxing earlier. And then we have this black cardigan. This cardigan, let me tell you, has been such a great addition to my wardrobe for spring, but also for other seasons actually. I think this kind of lightweight, timeless, classic, beautifully simple cardigans should not be missing in anyone's wardrobe. They are so useful to have, especially in this color for me, in my case, in black. And at the moment you can find them at many different price points. I will link a few that I like down below for you, because this is by Arcade and I know that Arcade is not available for everyone. This next outfit is another very simple but comfortable, casual and understated outfit, I would say, without being all black. I really like the color of this t-shirt. This is by COS, heavier than your usual t-shirt, and I paired it with my Citizens of Humanity jeans again here. You can style this outfit up or down depending on the occasion and the environment you are in. But for me, it has got to remain simple, at least for now. And as an extra layer, I added my Roe jacket on top of everything. And before I let you go, please let me know if you also dress differently depending on your mood. Does your mood define your style sometimes? I would love to hear that actually. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was somewhat helpful or inspiring. If it was, please don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I hope to see you soon on my next one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.